Hi guys, you are watching TechBros English. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up and insert SIM card first time in your Realme Narzo 50A mobile. With the help of this method, you can also set up Realme Narzo 50 and Realme Narzo 50i mobile. So first of all, open SIM tray. After SIM installation, close SIM tray. Now press power button and switch on mobile. Now select language and press next button. If you have Wi-Fi connection, then set up your Wi-Fi password, otherwise press skip button. If you want to copy your apps and data from your Gmail account, then press next button, otherwise press don't copy. Now enter your Gmail account. But guys, before entering your Gmail account, always remember, if you want to format or if you want to reset password, then you have to enter your same Gmail ID that you have logged in your Realme Narzo 50A mobile. So always remember your email ID and password that you have synced with your mobile. It is very important for you. You can set up these settings later. Now set up your password. Turn off glance for Realme to save internet data and battery. Now guys, after 5 minutes, we have set up our Realme Narzo 50A mobile completely and now it's ready to use. Guys, with the help of this method, you can also set up other Realme mobiles. If you have any question, please comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.